Welcome to USA Smart Shop. If you are looking for the best electric warming tray to keep your food warm, serve guests with ease, and simplify meal prep, you are in the right place. In this video, we will cover the top 5 best electric warming trays available today. These warming trays are selected based on heating performance, size, durability, and overall value. Let's get started. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Food Warming Mat. I chose a 27.5 by 16 foot electric warming tray with 7 temp settings, 1-99H flexible timer, switchable degree F/degree C, rollable food warmer. Keep food warm at buffet, party, Sabbath, daily use. The iTrusa Food Warming Mat is a modern and space-saving solution for keeping meals hot during family dinners, buffets, parties, and special occasions. With its large 27.5 by 16-inch heating surface, it comfortably holds multiple plates, serving dishes, or trays at the same time, making it ideal for gatherings or daily use. This warming mat features 7 adjustable temperature settings, allowing precise control based on the type of food you're serving. Whether it's keeping soup warm, maintaining the temperature of cooked meats, or gently warming breads and side dishes, the heat stays consistent without overheating or drying out food. The switchable Fahrenheit and Celsius display makes it easy to use for anyone, regardless of preference. The rollable and flexible design makes storage incredibly convenient. When not in use, the mat can be rolled up and stored in a drawer or cabinet, saving valuable kitchen space compared to bulky warming trays. The surface is easy to clean and designed to safely hold a wide variety of heat-resistant cookware. Energy-efficient heating ensures the mat stays warm without consuming excessive power, making it suitable for everyday use. Overall, the iTrusa Food Warming Mat is an excellent choice for users who want portable design, precise temperature control, long duration timing, and easy storage in one versatile food warming solution. Number 2. Chefman Electric Warming Tray with Adjustable Temperature Control, perfect for buffets, restaurants, parties, events, and home dinners. Glass top. Extra large 21-inch by 16-inch surface keeps food hot to black. The Chefman Electric Warming Tray is built for users who want a classic, durable, and professional-style food warming solution. Featuring an extra-large 21 by 16-inch tempered glass surface, it provides ample space for multiple serving dishes, making it perfect for buffets, restaurants, parties, events, and home dinners. This warming tray comes with adjustable temperature control, allowing users to customize heat levels depending on the type of food being served. From appetizers and casseroles to main dishes and desserts, the tray keeps food hot and ready to serve without burning or overcooking. The tempered glass top not only adds a sleek, modern look but also ensures durability and easy cleaning. Spills and food residue can be wiped away quickly, making post-meal cleanup simple and hassle-free. The flat surface supports a wide range of cookware, including metal, ceramic, and glass dishes. Designed for continuous use, the Chefman warming tray delivers even heat distribution across the entire surface, preventing cold spots and keeping food at a consistent temperature. Non-slip feet keep the tray stable on countertops and tables, adding an extra layer of safety during use. This model is ideal for hosting guests or serving meals over extended periods, as it maintains warmth without requiring constant adjustment. With its large glass surface, reliable temperature control, and elegant design, the Chefman Electric Warming Tray is a dependable option for anyone looking to serve hot food efficiently and professionally. Number 3. Electric Warming Tray, Full Surface Heating, Rollable and Portable Premium Silicone Nanomaterial, 3 temperature settings, Auto Shut-Off. Versatile food warmer for gatherings, parties, everyday use. This electric warming tray is designed for users who want a simple, portable, and everyday food warming solution without bulky equipment. The tray uses full-surface heating technology, ensuring even warmth across the entire mat so food stays consistently hot with no cold spots. Built with premium silicone nanomaterial, the surface is flexible, heat-resistant, and safe for a wide variety of cookware including glass, ceramic, metal, and stainless steel dishes. This material also makes the tray durable and easy to clean, ideal for frequent use in busy kitchens. The warming tray includes 3 temperature settings, making it easy to adjust heat levels depending on what you're serving. Low heat works well for breads and desserts, medium is perfect for side dishes, and the higher setting keeps main courses warm without drying them out or overcooking. One of the most convenient features is its rollable and portable design. When not in use, the tray can be rolled up and stored in a cabinet or drawer, saving valuable counter space. This makes it especially useful for small kitchens, apartments, RVs, and travel. Safety is enhanced with an auto shutoff function, which helps prevent overheating and gives peace of mind during long meals or gatherings. Energy-efficient heating keeps food warm while using minimal power. Overall, this electric warming tray is a great option for users who want flexibility, easy storage, fast heating, and reliable everyday performance for family meals, casual parties, and daily use. Number 4. FEPO Food Warming Mat. Upgrade high-tech graphene heating film, fast full-surface electric warming tray with 6-level adjustable temperature and 6 hours timer. Roll-up food warmers for parties buffet. The FEPO Food Warming Mat stands out with its upgraded high-tech graphene heating film, delivering fast, even, and energy-efficient full-surface heating. This advanced heating system distributes warmth uniformly, helping food maintain its original texture and flavor for longer periods. The mat offers 6 adjustable temperature levels, giving precise control for different types of food. Whether you're keeping soups hot, warming meats, or gently maintaining desserts, the wide temperature range ensures optimal results without overheating. A built-in 6-hour timer adds convenience and safety, making this warming mat ideal for parties, buffets, and extended family meals. The timer allows users to set heating duration in advance, reducing the need for constant monitoring. The rollable design makes storage easy and clutter-free. After use, the mat can be rolled up and placed in a drawer or cabinet, making it perfect for homes with limited storage space. Despite its flexibility, the surface remains sturdy enough to support multiple dishes at once. Graphene heating technology not only improves heating speed but also enhances durability and long-term reliability. The mat is compatible with various cookware materials and is easy to wipe clean after use. The FEPO Food Warming Mat is an excellent choice for users looking for advanced heating technology, precise temperature control, timer functionality, and compact storage in a modern food warming solution. Number 5. Extra large food warming mat with heat-resistant pad, 36 by 15 inch, 6 temperature and 6 timer settings, child lock safety, fits more dishes for family dinners and parties. This extra large food warming mat is built for large families, holiday dinners, and party hosting, featuring an expansive 36 by 15 inch surface that easily accommodates multiple serving dishes at once. The oversized design allows you to keep an entire meal warm simultaneously. It includes 6 temperature settings, giving users full control over heat intensity for different foods. From delicate pastries to hearty main courses, the mat maintains consistent warmth without burning or drying food. The warming mat also features 6 timer settings, making it ideal for long events and extended serving times. The timer adds convenience and helps reduce energy consumption while keeping food ready to serve when needed. Safety is a major highlight, thanks to the child lock feature, which prevents accidental setting changes and adds peace of mind for families with kids. The included heat-resistant pad protects countertops and tables, making it safe to use on a variety of surfaces. Despite its large size, the mat remains flexible and can be rolled up for storage when not in use. The surface is easy to clean and designed to support heavy serving dishes without slipping. With its extra-large capacity, advanced safety features, precise temperature control, and timer system, this food warming mat is a powerful and reliable option for anyone who frequently hosts dinners, parties, or large family gatherings. That's our list of the top 5 best electric warming trays here on USA Smart Shop. Each option offers unique benefits depending on your serving needs and budget. You'll find updated prices and purchase links in the description below. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews.